Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make an easy green bean casserole with no cream of mushroom. That's right, there's no cream of anything in this recipe. I'm trying to keep everything as simple as possible while still giving you the best homemade flavor. I'm going to use 3 cans of green beans today because there's nothing wrong with preserved foods, but you can also use frozen or fresh, but you will need to steam them until they're softened first. Then we're going to place half a pound of diced bacon into a cold skillet and turn on the heat and get that cooking. We're going to cook it until it's crispy, which will take somewhere between 10 and 12 minutes. Now, once the bacon is crispy, I leave all the grease in and add in 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir this in with our grease to form a roux. I mean, you could drain off some of the bacon grease if you'd like. You do need to have at least 2 tablespoons so that there's equal parts fat to flour, but I like to have the additional flavor from all that extra grease. After a couple minutes, add in a couple cloves of minced garlic and let this cook for about 60 seconds. Then we'll pour in 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of half and half, and bring this to a simmer. Now, once it comes to a simmer, you'll want to let it cook for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes until the mixture thickens up. It doesn't need to be super thick as it will continue to thicken in the oven. We're going to remove this from the heat. We'll bring this over here. We'll save ourselves some dishes and just mix everything in here. So we'll add in all of our green beans, as well as half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I like to add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then we'll stir this all together so that the green beans are coated. Then we'll go ahead and transfer this all to a little casserole dish. It wouldn't be green bean casserole without some French fried onions, but we're gonna add those on during the last 5 minutes of baking. So we're gonna grab our casserole so far and place it in a 450-degree oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pull it out of the oven real quick, and we'll start adding on these crispy French fried onions. You just want a nice even layer over the top. Then we'll return this to the oven for 5 minutes to finish up. And that's it. After 5 minutes, the onions on top will be heated through and crispy, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.